Assalamualaikum TCL. Hello. Welcome to my home story. Come on in. You're just in time. I'm just about to wrap my yoga. इस lounge में कहीं कोई hidden camera हो या कोई fly on the wall हो, so it will be very, very entertaining. लेकिन नीचे जाने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को एक क्यूट सी बात बताती हूँ. मुझे टेलीविज़न पे देखने की वजह से उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन लिया. So सुबह I highly recommend yoga. Firstly because it's 2025, we all do such high pressure jobs. कोई भी अब 9 to 5 मॉडल पे काम नहीं करता है. We're all just working around the clock because we're also ambitious. So I highly recommend yoga. I feel like with my job, where I work more than 12 hours a day, it helps me gain perspective. So yoga and breathing can help you introspect, can help you calm down and look at all the bright things in life. So this is my lounge and this is where we spend most of our days जब भी यहाँ पर हम लोग सब इकट्ठे होते हैं. But now once I've moved out of this house, every time I enter this lounge, it has a lot of emotional value. I think of all the times me and my sister, we binged the shows here. Sweetly enough, this is the lounge where my wedding events happened. ये सब यहाँ से हट गया था और यहाँ पे हमने ये lounge है जो सामने terrace है, यहाँ पर हमने we had my मायूं, we had my मेहंदी लगाई. अभी भी वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा पीस पड़ा हुआ है जिस पे लिखा हुआ है मावराज मायूं, क्योंकि वो शायद उस सेटअप में से बच गया था और यहाँ रह गया था. What I also really like about this lounge is that इसकी vibe बहुत airy है, बहुत white और peaceful vibe है. अब हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं उर्वा और मेरे gossip sessions के लिए. Nobody can know. हम यहाँ बैठते हैं और अगर इस lounge में कहीं कोई hidden camera हो या कोई fly on the wall हो, so it will be very, very entertaining. Another very important advice that I can give you all is make some time for me time. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ में आप बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलते हैं एक दिन में, बहुत हेक्टिक होता है, तो it's very important to unwind. And to unwind, what I do is I sit in my lounge and I watch some season or I listen to some music. एक और जो बहुत interesting चीज़ है जो मैं करती हूँ to unwind, it is right here. You won't believe me, but this color pencil set and this book is at least 10 years old. और ये मेरी बहन ने मुझे गिफ्ट की थी. It's called the Being in the Now coloring book. I also read a lot in order to unwind and to learn. I can give you some recommendations. You all must read the 40 Rules of Love and Fallen Leaves. And there's another book that I'm reading right now, The Fountainhead. मुझे पता है बहुत पुरानी बुक है और बहुत लोगों ने पढ़ी हुई है. बहुत बातें होगी लाउंज की. Now let's move on to the next area. नीचे चलते हैं. लेकिन नीचे जाने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को एक क्यूट सी बात बताती हूँ. Come. This here is a little laundry room. इसकी ख़ास बात ये है कि मेरे जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो अपने कपड़े खुद धोते हैं. Not just as an activity but as a fun activity. They love washing their clothes. मेरी मामा को लगता है कपड़े धोना क्या है, ऐसे धुल जाएंगे, और वो हमेशा कहती है क्या धुलवाना है, मुझे ला के दो. Also, have you looked at this shikarga? My mother-in-law gifted this to me. Yeah, she gives me the best gifts. These are the same stairs जिनसे मैं नीचे उतरी थी अपने निकाह पर. I hope we can also share a clip with all of you. Today it feels so normal, but that day ये staircase मुझे इतना लंबा लग रहा था और नीचे मेरे पेरेंट्स खड़े हुए थे यहाँ पर. And right here पूरे लॉबी में मेरे सब बहन भाई, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड सब खड़े हुए थे. But this is one of the most profound memories I have here. क्योंकि यहाँ से नीचे उतरते हुए मुझे सामने शीशे में भी सबकी शक्लें नज़र आ रही थी. रोना नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं कर पाई थी. गार्डन तक पहुँचते Let's go. Okay, enough with the emotions and those videos. Now let's move on to the dining room. You know when I got these chairs, मुझे इनका कलर बहुत पसंद था और मैंने बड़ा एडवोकेट किया था इनके लिए. But my mom had a serious concern which was pulling them back is a lot harder than it should be. और ये शॉट देते हुए मुझे realize हुआ है कि she was right. I'm just going to share my evening snack with all of you. प्लीज़ डोंट थिंक कि मैं सिर्फ हेल्दी चीज़ें खाती हूँ, क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं अनहेल्दी चीज़ें भी खाती हूँ. देयर सम दही एंड देयर सम बनाना, और उसके बाद मेरे फेवरेट pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, by the way, are very, very good for your health. Then we have some raisins. Then we have chia seeds. So it's a very easy evening snack and it's really yummy. And I don't want to have anything heavy and I still want to stay active. This is my snack every day. And when I'm living alone here, तो I prefer not to sit here because it just makes me sad. तो वो फिर आपको याद आता है कि सब कहाँ हैं. So I try and not come into this room when I'm alone. So this is another very special corner of my house. जब भी सब दोस्त इकट्ठे होते हैं, family members इकट्ठे होते हैं, so this is where we gather, we do all the gupshup, we have chai here. So this is that place where we sit. I remember when I initially set this house up, I was very excited to show it to my parents. So जब वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से visit करने आए तो ये घर set हो चुका था. So I brought them here because there was a surprise for Mama here. There's this Ayatul Kursi framed in my drawing room, which my Nana Abu gave to my Mama on her wedding. And somehow this has ended up in my house. I remember we were sitting here and Mama said, Allah rehna naseeb kare. So I thought, what do you mean, like I live here, right? And now I realize कि Mama की दुआ बहुत ही ज़्यादा important थी. So my mom said that now you have this place, now you have this responsibility कि कोई भी कभी भी घर आए, you have to force feed them. So excuse me, all of you, that I force fed you. Jokes apart, I feel कि जब लोग आपके घर आते हैं and they eat with you, आपके घर में बहुत बरकत होती है और पता नहीं कैसी कैसी मुश्किलात से आप बच जाते हैं when people eat with you from the rizq that Allah sent for you. So that's one advice I would give to every homeowner. Okay, last but definitely not the least, let me take you to my garden. ये garden इतना special इसलिए है because my nikah happened here.
हुसैन डॉक्टर मुश्ताक हुसैन के साथ मुलाकात किया जा रहा है. क्या आपको अपने निकाह में कबूल है?
And right now I can't even believe that we fit 50 people into this garden. So yeah, it's a very, very special place.
जी कबूल है.
I'm often asked what medium do I like more, whether it's television or films. While I've enjoyed myself doing all the films that I have done, they're larger than life and everything else. लेकिन मेरा personal favorite, not just today but ever since I've been acting, has been television. मुझे लगता है कि television की जो reach है वो हर घर तक होती है. With all the dramas that I've done, I've always prayed and wished कि अगर उसके अंदर कोई message है तो वो हमेशा लोगों तक पहुँचे. That this medium of course has made me who I am. And in the future also I hope that I can continue acting and be on television till my last breath. Everything that I am today is because of my career. और अगर मुझे टेलीविज़न पे देखकर किसी एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी में भी अगर कुछ चेंज आ सकता है, पॉजिटिव चेंज आ सकता है, तो मेरे लिए उससे बड़ा कोई अवार्ड नहीं है. सो दिस वाज माय होम स्टोरी. Thank you TCL for creating this opportunity for me. It felt really, really nice. Thank you so much and I hope that you've enjoyed our home story.